Hello guys. Good afternoon. Happy Mother's Day to each one of you. So excited Sunday? Yeah, Sunday also. Windy is disturbing you, right? And so today being a Mother's Day, I just thought, okay, I'll invite a special mother whom I know from from quite long time, but then this mother I was getting connected in the phase when everything was hazy for her, and that's how we got connected, both of us. And today I thought, why not, I will call Neha Chandok. So she's an entrepreneur, she's a single mom, and she has a beautiful, lovely, handsome son. So today we are going to celebrate. And so let me just see if I can able to let her come. Yes, okay, so let's see if it comes. So before that, I would like to start our day with a small song of Mother. Let Neha join. So, and thank you, Manju. Wish you a very, very happy Mother's Day. And so let us see how many people are joining. So I'm waiting for it. So today being a Mother's Day, we had normally the timings in the evening, but I prepone it because my one of cute mother who's going to be a mother, my daughter is coming to meet me. So I thought, okay, let me just be ready as a mother today. So yes. So Manju, wish you a very, very happy Mother's Day. And I saw your post, but I could not reply because a lot of things were happening since morning. And I also remembered your mom. She was such a great lady. And I don't understand why Neha is not able to. Okay, let me just add Neha. Yeah, Neha, are you able to see the invite? So still there are a lot of things which I need to learn. So Mother's Day special is, you know, guys, is what? It's basically अगर हम आज यहाँ पे हैं, हमारी एग्जिस्टेंस ही मदर के साथ कनेक्टेड है. यस और नो? कितने लोग ये समझते हैं कि हमारी एग्जिस्टेंस ही मदर के साथ है? यस. तो आज just give me a permission in the meantime, mean that jab tak Neha is joining. So my name is Windy Kohli. I am a psychotherapist, holistic healer, and I'm your accountable partner on this journey of self-healing. So I'm here to guide you, to help you in your day-to-day routine. And I'm here to make you understand that what is the difference between the pain and suffering. So from where the pain is coming and how we suffer due to that pain. And if you understand that combination of pain and suffering, then you know how to come out of it and how to heal that suffering, right? So just let me ask Neha. Neha, are you finding some issue in joining? Neha, are you finding some issue in joining? So guys, anyone has something to share on Mother's Day, please do let me know. Let me see if I can make Manju. Okay, it's not coming. So something is gone wrong. Okay. So let's see. if now they are able to join. So Neha, you are unable to join. I think you are unable to accept my invite as you are declining. So I think you just cancel this and come back again. And Manju, I have sent you also as well the invite. So just see if you can. So I am unable to add you, Manju. Oh, sorry, Neha. Just watch now. I have sent it to you the invite. So guys, आज थोड़ा सा जरूरी नहीं है कि हर वक्त हमने कुछ किसी को सुनना है, बोलना है. कई बार हमने ऐसी जनरल बातें भी करनी होती हैं, राइट? सो आज मैं आप लोगों को एक बहुत ही प्यारा गाना सुनाना चाहती हूँ, तो जो काफी मेरा फेवरेट है, और जब भी मैं सुनती हूँ वो गाना, तो हमेशा मैं उनके साथ कनेक्ट होती हूँ. Okay. So anyways, Neha, I don't know what is the issue. It's not happening because I feel that I will be able to join you from the phone, but it's not happening in the phone as well. So anyways, guys, chalo, thoda gana sunte, tab tak, correct? And let's see. Let's change the energy shift. So just do this. Guys, do this with me. 1, 2, 3. Shoo! Energy shift. Ma, meri ma. Can you hear the song? Pyari ma, oh ma, meri ma. Pyari ma, हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी, हो खुदा पे भी असर तो दुआओं का है घर. तेरी माँ, तेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा. बिगड़ी किस्मत भी संवर जाएगी, जिंदगी तराने खुशी के गाएगी, तेरे होते किसका डर, तू दुआओं का है घर. मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा. Hey guys, did you able to hear the song? Yes, you can hear the song. How did you feel it? Thoda udas, thoda emotional. Yes. So this song actually is like that. So मैं जब भी ये गाना सुनती हूँ तो हमेशा मुझे एकदम से like थोड़ा सा रोना आ जाता है जब when you remember your mom, and mom is the one who's always your friend, your like she's everything, isn't it? Neha, where are you? Neha, now I can't even see you in my... Manju, are you able to join? So I want that the mothers should come and be a part of this. Okay, let me send invite to Shagun as well. Shagun, would you like to... They can't edit. Okay, so I don't know why it's not happening. Neha, are you there? Okay. So let's see if Neha join, because last time also 2-3 times I tried joining her. So मैं आपको नेहा के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ. So Neha is a very strong girl. So she's come from a middle class family, and she studied in Amritsar, and after that she did her graduation and she got married. And after marriage, it was a nice, happy marriage, and everything is happening. Yes, Neha. So I'm telling your story a little bit to the people, that how you have what I know, because the main story, you only know your story. I just know the a little bit of, as I know you as a person. And I have seen this person growing. And so after 8 years of marriage, certain things didn't work out in her life. Then she had to take a decision of, break, just coming out of that particular moment. Okay, right now Minder Sindhu is also there. Let me see if Minder Sindhu can also join us. So, okay, so then so she came back from her in-laws to her mother's place with her son. I think it's been almost 3 years. I think so. Yes, Neha, it's been how many years now? It's been 3 years. So, oh, thank God. So, thank God, Neha, you are able to join now. Can you hear? Just switch on your video and so something is gone wrong now with your phone or a system or something. Anyways, so I would like to tell you guys the story. Sometimes we all get upset with small things. Like, this is not a small thing. Yes, it's a big thing. But then, over the time, as you grow up, you feel कि ये चीजें तो छोटी थी, मैं इनको ठीक किसी और तरीके से हैंडल कर सकता था. Isn't it? तो इस लड़की ने वापस आके she worked in a bank, and that's when we got connected, and she joined Happy Mother's Day to you. Thanks, Minda. Minda, would you like to come today on live? Just see if you can. Well and good. If it doesn't, it's okay. So then, like, she was with having a lot of regression, lot of sadness in her heart. And yes, Neha, I can see you. So I can see you, but I can't hear you, and I can't. Oh, it's been 5 years now. You are single. That's wonderful, Neha. So, the way this girl has handled her life, and then we in those sessions we just got to understand that there is some neurological alignment which needs to be done. And with those alignments, we went for a detailing sessions where she took it so positively and opened her heart and taken out all the emotions which was disturbing. So guys, what I wanted to say here is that when person is ready to heal, when person, hello, Som, Ma Som, hello, hi, how are you? Welcome. Welcome to Minder. Welcome to Manju. Great. Shagun. Welcome all the people to this live. So Neha, I can see your picture, but I can't see you, and I can't hear anything. So guys, can you hear Neha? Guys, can you hear Neha? Just message. And then after that, she took a call, and she left her existing job, and she worked on herself. She did some course, and today she's an entrepreneur, and she's running her immigration company. So can we boost her, and can we put it in the comment box? Power to Neha. Power to Neha. Just say power to Neha. So she has done wonderfully great. And today when you talk to her, I'm so sorry, but she's not able to connect today. So I will make her connect. Maybe tomorrow we'll have one session, special session, or in the evening if we have time. Yes, guys. So she needs a lot of power, and you know when we say power to you, or power to Manju, or power to Som, or power to Shagun, so you don't know how that power transfers. You know how that energy transfers and goes to you, whoosh, like it literally goes and you stuck it in your body, and it just changes your entire aura, right? Much more power to Neha. Great. So now she's running a this immigration company, and it is so beautiful to see her growing. She is now somehow, because in the immigration she does a kind of counseling for the students and all that, and so she started getting the feel of that, oh my god, she can heal others, she can, you know, listen other people's problems. And then she started doing some sessions of the counseling with the people who have gone through the same uh, life what Neha has dealt with. So to the single mothers and all that. So that's, I think, she's passionate about. And when you talk to her, it is so beautiful to talk to her. And the way she's bringing up her son with so much of awareness, right, guys? Yes. So anybody if have, okay, Neha, you can answer the questions of the people if they have. Anyone has questions for Neha, Neha can at least reply. So it's okay if she's not able to join, but let us chat with Neha and understand ki, okay, uh, let's see how it comes. So when I look back, you know, with the things in fact in my own life, I feel, oh my god, how was I person yesterday and what I am today. So when you need to so we say, okay, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai, ye nahi hai. So as a mother, I would like to tell you, yeah, sure. So Neha, I have a question for you. So uh, what do you think when that time phase, which was 5 years before, and today, how you rate yourself in 0 to 10? That's my favorite thing to ask. Uh, what inspired you to come out of your problems, Neha? Yes, Neha, please reply. Reply in message. I will repeat your message here. So Manju is asking Neha, what inspired you to come out of your problems? So let's see what Neha replies. And Neha, another question which I already told is, you give one by one the answers, that how do you rate your situation 5 years before and today? So I would say I give 8. Oh my God. Let's clap for Neha. So Neha, what inspired you? Now this question relates to Manju, what she's asking. Okay, what inspired you to come out of your problem? So Neha is rating 8, and that's the wonderful achievement. Great. So now, Neha, what do you say? So let Neha reply. In the meantime, guys, you know, with my own experience of almost 50 years plus, I see the life is a roller coaster. Life is never smooth. If you say कि ओके बिल्कुल एक सीधी लाइन की तरह सब चलता रहे, सीधी लाइन चलेगी तो ईसीजी में जब सीधी लाइन आती है तो समझो गए आप, राइट? तो इसलिए सीधी लाइन चाहिए ही नहीं. पहले तो आज अपना माइंडसेट और अपना पर्सपेक्टिव थोड़ा सा बदलिए कि सीधी लाइन नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर सब कुछ सीधा हो गया तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, इनफैक्ट ज्यादा. We could not digest that much of happiness. Okay, so Neha says that I think I was tired of living a miserable life, and I uh, wanted to uh, want, wanted to have my child a healthy growing environment. Wonderful, Neha. So what made you to take that kind of a decision in just haste? Like there was some incident or something? Great. Okay. So that's wonderful feeling ki yes, we have to understand. Like I have seen people, I met someone just few days back, and they got married from past almost 45 years plus. And the wife was in a miserable situation, and she was complaining about everything about her husband, all those things. And then I was wondering, I said, oh my God, why we do not get that awareness on time that this life is not working for me. So sometimes we just dragged it, and she is having all kind of diseases, like she's diabetic, she was having asthma, she was having thyroid, she's having this heart issues, the BP is quite high all the time. So all the stress, whatever she has taken in so many years, today it is showing in her body, right? So I'm not saying that you should take a call just like that abruptly, but yes, you should know your situation. You should know that something is working for you or not working for you. So guys, the women especially. So of course the men are also very intelligent, and we are nothing without the men. So men are a support system for us. But women has one extra power with them. Tell me, what is that power? Anybody can reply? What's that power? Tell me, what's that power? Yes, Manju, Neha. Tell me that power. What is it? So let me see how many of you are listening me and aware of that power. No, you know or you don't know, please write it down in the chat box, that I should know that you know, or I should know you don't know. Okay. So Minder, are you there online? If you are there, please switch on your video and your sound. No, because you are showing it here on my screen. Okay. Right. So Neha is saying something. Yeah, so incident happened. So when she took a call, so the incident happened as I came to know about my married life reality. I was living a total lie altogether for 1 year. Okay. Then what happened? So what was that lie? Neha, if you can tell that to the people, if you are okay with it. So altogether 1 year, but when I came to know about it, I knew if it won't take the decision now, I won't be able to come out of it. True, 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 true. So it is your intuition. Okay, great, 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 great. So she's a giver and possesses a lot of patience. Great, great, Manju. So basically, I think Neha got to know that there is something different in her life, which she definitely got the intuition about it. So yes, guys. So this is the one thing which you need to understand: intuition. इंट्यूशन हम सबके अंदर होती है. इंट्यूशन को हमें टैप करना आना चाहिए. तो हमें टैप करने के लिए ही आगे बढ़ के कुछ सीखना है, लर्न करना है कि उसको टैप कैसे करना है. बिकॉज इंट्यूशन को टैप करना इज अ आर्ट. यस और नो गाइज? मिंदर, आर यू देयर? तो देन आप अपनी वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हो और बात कर सकते हो सबके साथ. आज मदर्स डे है, आप कुछ शेयर कर सकते हो लोगों के साथ. if you are there, because I can see you are on my screen, but I can't hear you or see your face. So if you are there, please switch on your camera and audio. You always talk to me, Minder, about so many things. So I feel the best way of healing, क्या होती है? मैं आपको बताऊं, best way of healing होती है sharing. हम डरते हैं शेयर करने से. हम डरते हैं अपनी बातों को पब्लिक के सामने बोलने से, लोग क्या कहेंगे. तो पहले तो वहां से हमें बाहर निकलना है, बहुत जरूरी. Okay, so Neha is saying that my husband was living alternate life, and I came to know about it. So that is what, that's the reality you got to know, Neha. So which is good, and today you are taking it so positively, and on this platform you are sharing it. So first of all, that's the literally courage which needs it. Everyone needs this courage to talk about it. Everyone is not that comfortable talking about it, right, on these kind of social platforms. But this message, you know, why I wanted to bring Neha on this platform and talk to you, because there are so many women who are still struggling and being into the wrong relationships, and they are just dragging their happiness for another day, another day, another day. And so so I want them to just take a pause. Just take a pause, evaluate, sit, write, write the pointers which are not working for you. What are the things which is not working for you? Be bold, talk about it openly. If you think that your relationship is perfect, your partner is quite good at some levels and some levels are not right, so please sit together, have courage to talk about openly. तो ओपनली उनके साथ बात करो, उनके साथ अपने आप को शेयर करो, अपनी फीलिंग्स को शेयर करो, राइट? सो अभी मैंने आपसे 2 सेकंड पहले क्वेश्चन पुट किया कि कौन सी ऐसी पावर है जो विमेन में होती है. सो द पावर विमेन में होती है उनकी इमोशनल कोशेंट, उनका जबरदस्त हाई होता है, यू नो, उनके अंदर एक इंट्यूशन पावर जबरदस्त हाई होती है देन मेन ऑल्सो. So I wanted you to tap that. I wanted you to understand that power within. तो हमारे जो अंदर की पावर है, जो हमारी इनर वर्ल्ड है, उसके उसके ऊपर थोड़ा ध्यान देना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक नेहा यू डिड. यस. So Neha, I think when you got little more conscious about certain things, and that's how your uh, awareness happens. So Minder, so it's not easy to find out about this, Neha. I'm glad you are out of it. Yes, Minder. So it is so nice that first of all, to share the first time when she shared in one of my webinar her story, like I also got goosebumps because I never expected her that she can so openly talk about it on this platform. But she got the courage, and after that I'm seeing the drastic change in her, that how her healing is happening, like day by day something new is coming up. Now she is handling a business which is like a totally different streamline altogether. She got a courage to start her own. She got a courage to become an entrepreneur, because entrepreneur बनना भी एक बहुत अपने आप में एक achievement है. Yes. So I'm very, very happy for you, Neha, and you have literally nailed it and achieved it. And so any questions anyone has from Neha, and Neha, you have any questions about yourself, or you wanted to ask uh, audience, or you any answers related to motherhood? So कि how the I know that जब हम लोग मदरहुड की बात करते हैं, तो विमेन स्पेशली जो प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, वो उनके लिए एक चैलेंज हो जाता है, राइट? कि वो किस तरह से अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को मैनेज करके चलें. डू एनीवन हैज दिस क्वेश्चन? Do anyone has these questions, guys? So let me see if anybody is replying. Okay. Yeah, so I was already having this intuition for that 1 year. I knew something was off. I knew there was chances of a chance. Okay, so Neha is saying, I was already having this intuition for that 1 year. I knew something was off. I knew there was chances for this incident, but somehow I was not able to totally believe it. Yes, it's hard to believe. Yes. Yes, Neha, it is really, really hard to believe sometimes, because um, when you give your mind, soul, body, everything to one person and devote, so your expectations are always not expectations like it is obvious you feel that you should get that kind of energy back, right? So anything else, Neha, you would like to say here? So this is what, guys, we need to understand ki where my energy is going. And now again, Neha's answer, I'm continuing it. So for me, I know we single mothers doubt our capabilities. We have this guilt that we are not providing complete family, complete, uh, we are not providing complete family environment to our kids. Yeah, so Neha is saying that we as single mothers doubt our capabilities. We have this guilt that we are not providing complete family environment to our kids. Yes, true, Neha. But sometimes don't you think that do you think that somewhere you get that which you just recently said, intuition, that intuition power helped you to handle these both the roles together? And don't you feel that you feel proud that right now you are on the both sides, as a mother and as a father? So how do you feel? Don't you feel that that encouragement within, that motivation within? Do you think so? Would you like to say something here? So guys, it's very important. I know as single mom, it's a lot of things are challenging. A lot of things are coming in your life, which is unseen, unseen events, unseen things, unseen people. Like sometimes the people who comes into your life is a terror for you at times. There is a chaos in your life at times. But just take pause for a while. Sit with you don't know, in that chaos situation, in that disturbing situation, you find solace somewhere, you find peace somewhere, right? So let's see if she replies. So guys, this is what today I would like to uh, give message to all the mothers. First of all, congratulations to everyone here, whosoever has come and joined this live, and also the people who are going to uh, see this recording later. So जो तो first time मुझे देख रहे हैं, I would like to again explain myself that I am Vindy Kohli, and actually my name is Vandana, and my loved ones calls me Vindy, and Vindy I think is my soul calling name. I am on this platform, I am a psychotherapist and a holistic healer. So my journey from homemaker to started from as a homemaker, and I became an entrepreneur with no times. So how? Because yes, I took almost 20 years to go to to stabilize myself to being here on this platform. But the journey when I look back was quite interesting. Like if the humps are coming, I was aware of. If the stress is coming, I was aware of. If the anxiety is holding me somewhere, trapping me in the holes, I was aware of. So yes, Neha is saying, yeah, intuition power has helped me a lot. After 5 years of being single mom, I can proudly say the way my kid is growing. Something else also is there. Take a second. Okay. So my kid is growing. Okay, I'll repeat it. So yeah, my intuition power has helped me a lot after 5 years of being single mom. I can proudly say the way my kid is growing, seeing his smiling face makes it all worth it. And I know we as a mothers can do anything if we set our mind for our family happiness. Wonderful. Wonderful, Neha. I think it's a beautiful message for all you beautiful mothers and beautiful girls and would-be mothers. So I think it's a beautiful message. I would like to repeat what Neha just said, that intuition power has helped her a lot. And after 5 years of being single mom, she can proudly say the way her kid is growing. So seeing his smiling face makes it all worth it. And I know we as mothers can do whenever and anything if we set our mind for our family happiness. Wonderful, Neha. It's a wonderful message, and thank you. Hello, hi, hello Kaushik, how are you? Nice to see you on this platform. Uh, so, so all fathers and mothers are here. So I think it's the celebration because माँ के बिना जिंदगी नहीं है, right? So अगर आज फादर बने हो आप तो तब भी माँ की ही कृपा है कि आप आज आज हो और आज फादर बने हो. So and अगर माँ ने बेटा अगर लेके आई है लाइफ में तो मतलब father is important. So both ways, father and mother, boy and girl, son and daughter, all have relationships together. So we can't say this is high or this is low. No, there is nothing like that. It's like that everyone needs to tap their power. So hello Kaushik, how are you? I am so blessed and feeling so nice that you are here on this platform today. And would you like to give any message to the women outside, to the mothers today? So if you can just type in the comment box, and or if you wanted to come and join me on this live, I would love to send you the invite. Do let me know. So let's see how these men are going to message you today and give you the power power whoosh, right? So let's take that power whoosh. So when I went for my program, so there, right. Okay, so Kaushik, are you sending message or would you like for me to send you the invite? Let me see if Kaushik accepts the invite. So that would be great for all of us. So then he can come and give message to all beautiful women out. And okay, so I think somehow he's also not able to join. Great. So Kaushik sent a message to all the women, and Neha says that yes, so true. Our parents give us the power to face anything. Yes, the power. The parents are a support system. The parents are your spinal cord. The family is your spinal cord. Your bachas are your spinal cord. So when I feel that my spine is healthy, so just look back and see, is everything around you is perfect? Is everything around is happy? So that's how you will feel empowerment in your back. So your back will be perfect. Right, guys? So it's almost 40 minutes, and we have somewhere missed out meeting some of the people, and so, but it's okay. Anything else anybody wanted to share something, they are most welcome to share. So, or you can just send a power whoosh to everyone, and just say uh, some great message to all the women around, right? And yes, my special message to would-be mothers. So for them, I feel, for everyone actually this message goes to, but for them, one thing I would like to say is just stay positive in all the situations. Develop patience right now, in your daily routine, and just be connected with your child right now who's there in your womb, and just develop that connection with him or her, and just make her or him feel that how much you are waiting for him to come, for her to come to this world, right? So just give that attention, so give that welcome right now, because it says ki internal world connects and internal world uh, connects, and it's like a magnet. So whatever you are saying or you are doing, it happens immediately, and it happens like a magnet. So if the child is coming out also tomorrow, so he or she will be just like a magnet to you. So it's very important. That is why हमारे बड़े बुजुर्ग कहते होते थे कि उस टाइम पे कुछ अच्छा सुनो, कुछ अच्छा बोलो, कुछ अच्छा देखो, all these things. तो आज समझ में आता है कि क्यों बोला जाता था. And so that's the practice which I think every woman needs to do, and the women who has children. So for them also there is a message, that again the patience. So just look at you, that how much patience you have and how much you can more develop it. So I know children always teaches patience uh, in the process of running around and all those things, but that patience is different. The patience which gives you the peace, which gives you the calmness, that is different. So just connect together and bring harmony in your life, right? So thank you so much. And yesterday, I think I have posted a message that what mothers can do. And please do that, do read that message and follow it. And now Neha is again messaging. Just believe, okay, may Neha's message for you guys, just believe in yourself and you can do anything. Never doubt yourself. Never doubt yourself as a mother. We all are super moms. Yes. And I send my power and love to all of you. Thanks, Neha. It's a lovely, lovely message. And I think that power whoosh is going to everyone. Okay. And Kaushik, thank you so much for your message. Let me read out. Okay, guys. So Kaushik Khanna has written that Happy Mother's Day to everyone. To all the mothers, you are the backbone of our families. The ones who hold us together through thick and thin. Absolutely. You are our heroines. Oh my God, heroes. You are our heroes, our role models, our inspirations. Thanks, Kaushik. Such a incredible, powerful words, and I think these words definitely motivates a lot of people. Let me repeat once again, Kaushik message here that happy Mother's Day to everyone. To all the mothers, you are the backbone of our families, the ones who hold us together through thick and thin. You are our heroes, our role models, and our inspiration. Wonderful. Thanks, Kaushik. Thanks. It's such a beautiful message which you have shared here. And Manju is saying कि कब किसी मुश्किल का कोई हल नहीं मिलता, लगता है अब कोई माँ के पेन छू के नहीं निकलता. यस मंजू, मुश्किल का हल क्या होता है? माँ की एक हग और माँ की एक गोदी, you know, just lap of your mother gives you all the pain-free emotions and pain-free feelings, isn't it? So guys, if you have mothers today, so please today it's my humble request to you कि first of all go spend time with her, hug her just as if you know this is the last day of your day and what do you wanted to do for your mother. So do those kind of things today. Like if you wanted to take her out to do something for her, so please do that. And the people who do not have mothers and they are like physically they are not there, but yes, emotionally and mentally they are always there. So I think those people should sit and pray and be grateful for each and everything whatever she has given. And hello Ramesh Maganti for joining. That's wonderful to see you. Ramesh, would you like to give some message to women out today, to mothers? So it would be great, the boosting to all the women here, all the mothers here. So if you can just give a small message to them, a motivation message, and so let's boost, let's give power to them. And Minder is also giving message to you guys that Happy Mother's Day to all. Mothers always give unconditional love to her family. Yes, very true. Very, very true. So, so yesterday I was on this thing. I was talking to one of my friend, and we just spoke about this only that we all give unconditional love, and sometimes we protect our children in all the ways, right? So this is what the mother is. The mother is the protection queen. The mother is Jhansi Ki Rani. The mother is what Kaushik said, that role model, the heroes of our family, the inspiration is the mother, right? So anybody would like to share something? I will just take few more seconds. It's already 45 minutes. I'm just non-stop talking, right? Okay. So hello Poonam. Hi Poonam for joining. Thanks for joining, Poonam. I think you have missed the session, but doesn't matter. Mother is God. Yes, Manju. So Poonam, you watch the this recording. And also, Mr. Ramesh, you also watch this recording, and please, uh, create a lovely message for women, because I think everybody will read it out. And your message, all of your message, I'll combine it and put it like a post on the platform, so everybody should visually see these messages, right? Okay, thank you guys. So I'm just taking now leave from you, and thank you so much once again. Happy Mother's Day to you all. I'm Vindi signing off. Take care.